What's up, everybody? Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital, or welcome to the channel if you're new, which might be the case since we are covering a coin I have covered before, but it's a very strange coin. Of course, we're covering Alpaca, one of the most manipulated coins in the last couple of days. If you take a look at the 4-hour price action here, I mean, obviously we got the news of the delisting on Binance. And now also Bybit, the two biggest markets for Alpaca. We got that earlier last week. Since then, you can see the price rallied a total of 600%. A lot of shorts were squeezed in there as well, but just in general, manipulation of the highest form. And that's also the main question, the main conclusion right now for Alpaca. So for those of you just tuning in right now, don't trade this, all right? If you're trading this, you're gambling. And trust me, you have better odds in blackjack than with this. There's going to be people that make a lot of money. They'll show off their profits. You think you can do that too, but this is a zero-sum game, all right? And there's some whales, there's some market makers. Maybe the team of Alpaca is doing some shenanigans and running some algorithms on this, and they will make money, all right? So that means the slice of the pie that makes money from retail is very, very small, all right? So like I said, the probabilities of making money on this are just low and just not worth it. And you should trust me on that. But we initially had that move. Then yesterday we had a pretty big crash in a matter of a couple of hours. We dropped down 75%, and then since then we rallied from the bottom to the top another 1700%. So this is this is crypto for you. It's very interesting to see, watching from the sidelines. But then the big question is well, what's next? And I spoke about this with some people in the groups we have this morning, and the difficult part about Alpaca is that this is going to crash, right? Also, if you take a look at the market cap of $160 million right now, it's too high. So at some point of time, this is going to crash. But with this manipulation, the problem is that this will both go on longer than you expect. And therefore, we have also liquidated a huge amount of shorts, millions and millions of dollars, and this will start to fall the moment you don't expect it. All right, the moment nobody is shorting this because everybody has lost hope this is going to fall, this is going to crash. Like, this could still rally into $2, $2.5, $3 easily. You should take that into account if you want to short this. Which, by the way, I mean, if you go to Alpaca here on Gate.io. Or on Maxi, you can see the funding rates are also incredibly negative. So that means you pay that percentage every funding round if you're shorting. So if you're shorting, it's in general going to be very, very hard to make money on this. But no, I mean, so for now, I still expect this to continue. But this is definitely manipulation by the team, by whales, by the market maker, probably to exit positions, right? So they're probably selling some spot during these moves up as well. Even though this is the perpetual price, right? So who knows? The spot price right now seems to be very decoupled from what the perpetual futures price is doing, which essentially is a different asset. But no, I mean, if you want to do a technical analysis on this, what I would say is wait for a definitive break of structure, right? So right now you can see we're forming this structure right here. We're holding every time we form a local top, we're holding that as support. So as long as that goes on, we will continue to rally higher. And what you should be aware of as well, and what you should be, well, not afraid of, but should be wary about, is something like this. That I can better do it like this. That the price, that it seems like we finally have a bearish breakdown, but that we instantly reclaim it. So that it's a fake out, drawing in shorts, will liquidate the shorts, rally up higher. So for now, I would still say this rally's higher, but this is probably sooner rather than later going to crash an immense amount. I just personally do not think it's worth it to risk money gambling on when that's going to be. So those are my thoughts. I think that's what you need to know for now. So thank you for watching. Take care, and please take care, and bye.